Hey, if one of your earbud is not working in the Realme Buds Air 5, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to input both earbuds inside this charging case, then close it for a few seconds, and now you will have to open it. Next, you will have to rotate your case and you will have to click and hold this button for around 10 seconds. So let's do this. And now we have to take a look on this small indicator. We just have to wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly with the green and white, which means that it will actually restore all default settings. There we go. Now we can release and it actually give us the reset. So we bring back all the original settings back into our Realme Buds. And now you have to just pair them one more time with your smartphone. So you can click on the saved devices, accept the new pairing request, and now we can check if it actually works. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.